Today class we will be going to do one Sorai art, that is folk art of Jharkhand. So let's start. First I have taken white sheet and made it yellow with yellow ochre color and made some, you can see that some drawings are made here. So after this we will start coloring. Only few colors are used and which is easily available in the village. Black they use, white they use, then brown. For brown they are using, in Hindi it is called geru, that thing they are using. Just see what patterns is done, and that you can do it very easily. I am in hurry, but if you have time you will enjoy coloring this. So I am coloring this feather. They don't use any brush, but without brush they are using by that bamboo wings they use, and make a brush like a structure at the end of that. Here we will just see which type of color or which things I am doing. But now everything is available, so now the local people are also doing with brush. So we have done this. Then here one fish is there, we'll color that body also. So you can see how I am doing it. Like this you will color. Here one lotus is there, so we will color that lotus with red color. We don't have to mix anything in any color. Pure color is used directly from the bottle. And we will make some fine work with black, white color we will do. Head of the peacock we will do with white. I think this painting is very tough for those who don't know, but once you get that way, it is very easy work to do. Here also mouth part will do with white. Now make some grass here. Fish is there, so I am making something like water. See how freely it is used. बहुत सुंदर से डाली बना दो तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, गंदा सी थोड़ा बनाना है. Now we will be using black color for making the outlines and it will be completed. Look here what I am doing. Try to do everything with brush, okay, but if you are having problem then you can use sketch pen for making it look brighter. If you are not able to do fine line with brush, then you use sketch pen. You might have seen this type of painting in my room when you have attended the last class. So this type of painting once I have made for stage decoration also, and one seminar was also there. Some artists came from outside to do this in the art fest, Akar art fest. Some artists of Florai painting have attended our school and taught some of the senior students. So here one fish is there. Look here, as you made the fish in the lower classes, in that way only you have to do, because all the village people are doing and they are not very well trained for making different type of shells. So that became a their style, and now it is called Sohrai art, and it is also gaining very much attention all over the world, and many visitors also visit to see our Sohrai painting in the Ranchi, Ramgarh, Hazaribagh districts. So here you can use sketch pen if you are not able to do with the brush fine lines. I am also having problem because I have to complete the video fast, so for making me also it is difficult in a hurry way. So here you can see the effect what is coming. Now we will make the deer. One tail is here, that also you make. And whatever I am doing, you please do all of you, because for giving the marks I will need all your paintings. You keep on sending in your WhatsApp group of the class or to me if you get my number, or you send in your class WhatsApp group. Look here, the look of the deer. बंद नहीं हुआ बाबू, यहाँ पे काम है इसका. Plus nothing else you have to do, just make the outlines. All other things are already done. ये सिंग बना दिए। So you can see this how easily I am doing, and you can also do this painting in the same way, very easy it is। कहीं भी बाहर निकल गया कलर कोई टेंशन नहीं है, इधर देखो छूट भी जा रहा है, बट यू हैव टू यूज दिस कलर कॉम्बिनेशन। थोड़ा सा बाहर निकल गया कुछ हो गया उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, वो चलेगा, इज ऑल ओके। नाउ मेक दिस, देखो कहीं छूट रहा है कहीं लग रहा है, उससे कोई इतना टेंशन लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं कि खराब हो रहा है। सोराई करने में खराब कुछ नहीं, जो बन गया तुम्हारे हाथ से दैट इज फोक आर्ट, because folk artists are not very well trained that they will make the proper shape। So I am also not trained very much for folk art, but being living in here in Jharkhand, I am also learning only and teaching also to you। So it is, you can see it is almost ready। Now make the outline of this part also। इसमें भी थोड़ा सा और डिजाइन बना देंगे। इससे से कोई कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, एक कॉम्बिनेशन बना सकते हैं। एक पिकॉक इधर बनाया तो जिस साइड से भी एक पिकॉक बना देंगे, या फिर हिरन बनाया तो इधर से भी एक हिरन बना देंगे, ठीक। एंड नाउ यू कैन सी दैट इट इज ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट। अगर और इसको सुंदर बनाना है तो अब जितना मेहनत करते जाओगे उतना ही अच्छा लगेगा। वाइट कलर लेंगे, ये सब में थोड़ा सा वाइट कलर भर देंगे, क्योंकि इसके अलावा ग्रीन ब्लू ये सब यूज़ नहीं करना। हम लोग के स्कूल में जो बना हुआ है सारा कलर यूज़ करना है, बट इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी to use green and blue। So we have done, and you can see this painting, it is almost complete। I am showing one more drawing of Sorai, that's peacock, only peacock is drawn there, and you can see, look here, here one more